In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a Google Calendar widget to Notion. This is a great way to streamline your productivity setup by integrating two of your most important tools. By embedding your calendar directly into Notion, you can easily keep track of your schedule without constantly switching tabs. So let's get started. First, you'll need to open Google Calendar on your computer. On the left-hand side of the page, you should see a list of your calendars. Hover your cursor over the calendar that you want to add to Notion. You'll notice 3 vertical dots appear next to the calendar name. Click on these dots to reveal more options. Then select Settings and Sharing from the drop-down menu. This will take you to a page with various settings for that specific calendar. As we move on, navigate to the section labeled Access Permissions. Here, you'll see an option to make your calendar available to the public. It's crucial to enable this feature because it allows your calendar to be embedded outside of Google Calendars, specifically into Notion. However, you should be aware that making your calendar public will make it visible to anyone with the link. So consider carefully which calendar you choose to share. After enabling the public setting, you'll need to scroll down until you find the section titled Integrate Calendar. Here you'll have 2 options. You can either copy the public URL or the embed code, also called iframe. Both of these will work for our purposes, but the embed code typically offers more customization options if you're comfortable tweaking it. Now that you've prepared your calendar for sharing and copied the necessary code or link, it's time to head over to Notion. Once you're on your desired Notion page, simply type embed into a new block. Notion will automatically prompt you to paste the link or the iframe code that you copied earlier. Go ahead and paste it, then hit enter. In a moment, your Google Calendar should appear right on your Notion page. And there you have it. A seamless integration of Google Calendar into Notion. This setup allows you to view your schedule alongside all your other notes and tasks, making it much easier to manage your time efficiently. If your calendar doesn't appear right away, just double check that you copied the entire link or code correctly, and that your calendar is set to public. With your Google Calendar now embedded into Notion, you can enjoy a more organized and productive workflow. Feel free to leave any questions you might have in the comments, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more helpful content like this. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.